Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're whipping up some delicious desserts with just a few basic ingredients. Let's dive right in. No-bake Oreo cheesecake bars. Crush Oreo cookies and mix them with softened cream cheese. Press the mixture into a pan and chill until firm. Slice into bars and enjoy. 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Mix together peanut butter, sugar, and an egg until well combined. Roll the dough into balls, flatten with a fork, and bake until golden brown. Chocolate-covered strawberries. Dip fresh strawberries into melted chocolate and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Chill in the fridge until the chocolate sets. Banana ice cream. Peel and slice ripe bananas, then freeze until solid. Blend the frozen bananas until creamy, adding a splash of milk or yogurt if needed. Serve immediately as soft-serve ice cream. Microwave mug brownie. In a microwave-safe mug, mix together flour, sugar, cocoa powder, oil, and a splash of milk. Microwave for 1 to 2 minutes until the brownie is set. Enjoy warm. Coconut macaroons. Combine shredded coconut with sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. Drop spoonfuls of the mixture onto a baking sheet and bake until golden. No-churn vanilla ice cream. Whip heavy cream until stiff peaks form, then fold in sweetened condensed milk and vanilla extract. Freeze until firm and scoopable. Fruit salad. Chop up your favorite fruits, such as strawberries, pineapple, and kiwi, and toss them together in a bowl. Add a squeeze of lemon juice and a sprinkle of honey for extra sweetness. Rice Krispie treats. Melt butter in a saucepan, then add marshmallows and stir until melted. Remove from heat, add Rice Krispies cereal, and press the mixture into a greased pan. Let cool before slicing. Chocolate banana pops. Insert popsicle sticks into banana halves, then dip them into melted chocolate. Roll in chopped nuts or sprinkles, then freeze until firm. And there you have it, 10 sweet treats that are simple to make and oh so delicious. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy dessert recipes. Happy baking!